Hello everyone, so I've got this Vauxhall Astra with glove box that's broken, but the latch doesn't work. So this isn't the one where you can use like a tie hook or whatever. This is just broken there. So all I'm going to do is just replace it. Got this second-hand unit for £25. So all it is, already taken one off there, one down there, one there, one there, and it's this bit here. Oh, let me put it on the camera. Can you see it? Whoa, there we go. It's a T20 screw. So that's all it is. So I'm just going to unscrew that, and hopefully this should all pop out. And then I just got to disconnect the bulb there on the other side. So let me just get on with that. So here we go. So I've done all the 4 screws and it should just pop out. But just pull it. There you go. Simple as that. Oh, I was going to disconnect that and it's disconnected itself there. There you go. There's the thing. Connection there. And literally it's the reverse process. And if any of you are trying to know where the heater blower fan is, there it is. So here we go. Let's put it back in place now. So I've got the replacement part here. I've got it rested on my knee, so I can just quickly bung this on. And this connector just literally slips on. Well, it should do. Here we go. There we go. Done. And it didn't come with a bulb, so I'm just going to put bulb in now. Make sure it's touching the... There we go. There. Bulb's in, I think. Yep. Okie doke. So let's just shove that in there. Oh dear. I should have done the latch first. Let me just do this. Hold on. Okay, so me being stupid there. So when you do this, just open the latch for ease of use. And you just line it up like so. Put a screw in there, put a screw in there. Way! Right, let me just put one in. So I best just put that, just tighten that up a little bit so that it stays in place. So what we want to do is, when you see the holes, you know it's lined up because you can see the blue connector on the other side. He has to line up with that blue connector to make sure it sticks on properly, the screw does, that is. So make sure you can see the blue lined up like that, and once it's like that, you're good to go. So I'll just repeat the process again for the other 3 screws and we'll conclude there. Okay, so put all the 4 screws in and job's done. Make sure it works. Nice. There you go. All you need is a T20 Torx bit, and you can do this in literally like 3 minutes. I think it's a 3-minute job, this one. Okay everyone, hope you like and subscribe. And yeah, it just goes to show sometimes it's just better just to, in order to fix something, just get another piece off eBay or something, and then you can get the job done in 2-3 minutes. Total cost for this was £25 for the glove box and 3 minutes of my time, and that's it. Hope this helps. Take care. Bye bye.